Hello, class. I hope you all are well. Uh, Today I'm going to start your last chapter, and you know about this chapter. I have already explained this in my uh, chapter index. If you have not seen that, you can see that from the previous video. Okay, your last chapter is this, you can see here, app development. Okay, app development. Before understanding this app development, you have to understand about what is an app. Here you can see that app means an application. Okay, app is just an application. Application means like a software. You can have the software in your desktop, in your computer, or in your mobile. That the short form of this application is app. Okay, uh, if you want to design an app, then there is need of codings. As you know, if you want to design a program, there is need of coding, and you all know about this, that a program is the collection of instructions. Okay, and application or software is the collection of programs. So if you want to design an app, then there is need to design there is need of programming. Okay, so uh, first we have to understand about this app, and how many types of apps are there. Let me show you. If I'm We will talk about types of app. You can see here there are basically only three types of app: desktop app, web app, and mobile apps. Okay, mobile apps, desktop app, and web app. Web app means web applications, desktop applications, and mobile application. You can see here, this is in your book. Let me show you the third type. Here you can see the desktop app, it means desktop application. Web app, it means web application. And the last one is here, you can see, mobile app. Okay, generally everyone think that app belongs to the mobile only, but it is not true. Okay, app means an application can be used anywhere, in the computer, in your website, and in your mobile also. That's why it is categorized in three types: desktop application, web application, and mobile application. And desktop application, what is this desktop application? That desktop application is the application, or is the software that is used in the computer, in your laptop, or in your desktop. Okay, here one thing you have to know, that here you can see that desktop desktop app must first be installed on desktop computer or laptops. Okay, the application that is installed in the desktop or laptop is known as desktop application or desktop app. And here desktop apps are different from different platform, such as Windows, Mac, or Linux. It means desktop, if you have different kind of platforms like Window platform, Linux platform, Mac platform, or Ubuntu, so there is different kind of app to execute the to support the your platform. Okay, and web applications or web app means the app that can be used on web or server or network. If you are using an app on server or on a network, that is called web app. And the mobile application, as you all know about this mobile application means the application that is used in the mobile, that is called mobile application. And there are various category of mobile application, as you can see. Let me tell you the name. Visual components. uh, Here you can see a mobile application consists the following components. What are the components of the mobile applications? Here you can see that visual components like button, label or images, whatever you are seeing on the mobile, that is visual component. And non-visual component like sound and motion sensor, these are called non visual component. It means these components you cannot see in the mobile, but you can feel that, you can hear, or you can analyze that components. And the next one is event component. What is this event component? It is like the clicking of the button. Okay, if there is a button and you just click or you just touch on the button in the mobile, like if you are recording, you are going to record something using your mobile, then you need to click on the record button of the mobile. That is the click event. Okay, and same thing for the, here you can see the behaviors means it is like a action. Okay, to execute an action, that is your behavior. Okay, and last one is variables. I have already told you about the variables in the program coding section. Okay, this is just a memory location where you can store your data. All these components are required to develop a mobile application. Okay, and some of the things like how can you develop your mobile application, I will tell you in next classes. And in next class I will tell you this topic, working of an application. Okay, thank you.